We came to GJ's because we'd heard about it. Obviously, it's heard about in every home when you think about homes and rebuilding. Didn't think it would be in the price range that we would be able to use, but we wanted to at least have a starting point. And it was literally we were Googling and said, GJ's is down the road from Dad's job. Shall we pop in there? And yeah, we never went anywhere else. We walked into GJ's and the lovely salesman we spoke to, Jeremy, went through the options with us and probably agreed with the better option to knock down and rebuild as opposed to trying to renovate and work with what we had. Mum and Dad got married, moved to Auckland, and they raised us in that house, and that was the one we said goodbye to. Now we have this, which is monstrous compared to that. The building experience was very professional. The staff and contractors that we used were very professional, very thorough, and really easy to get along with. Obviously our dog was down the back, so we were here every day and could see the progress they were making, but they were always very, very open and very friendly with us and what stages they were at and what they had done for the day.
They understood because we stood outside the gate a lot and watched. They were very nice people.
Communication with GJ's is amazing. We were constantly in contact. They would answer every call. They knew us, didn't have to try and backtrack and, who is this person, which build is that? They knew you by name. We came up with the island plan because of Dad. Mum and Dad needed an ensuite, something practical for them in their older years. If they needed us to care for them, we wanted our space as sisters away from them where we could sort of do our own thing. We wanted an open plan was the other thing with the kitchen and the lounge, so we could actually still be a family but then have outlets to get away to. I would recommend removing and rebuilding to anyone, especially the older houses. I think there's a lot more work that goes into trying to restore old when it's just more feasible in the long run to just knock down and rebuild. The quality you get out of it, the warranty you get out of it, but just that peace of mind you have because it's brand new. You don't have to worry about old things as part of a new thing. It's a new home.
It was a great experience. It was fun and it was different.
100% would recommend GJ's to anyone. The quality, the professionalism, not 1 cent did we go over what we contracted. It was awesome. So worth it.